Hello, today we're going to read a very interesting article about British Queen Elizabeth II and American tourists who actually didn't recognize her when walking in some district in England. So how do we work with articles? Step 1, I read each sentence just for you to know how to pronounce the words correctly. Step 2, I translate and analyze the sentence. And step 3, I point out some important words and interesting words there, and even sometimes make more examples for them. So let's go. Sentence 1, setting N. Elisabeth Alexandra Marie, 90 år, torsdag 21. april, er regjerende dronning i Det forente kongerike Storbritannia og Nord-Irland. Elizabeth Alexandra Marie, 90 years, Thursday 21st of April, is the reigning queen in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and North Ireland. This sentence is quite simple, so just for your general information, it's typical of Norwegian articles to point out the age of people the article goes about. So here you know the age and birth date of Elizabeth Alexandra Marie. And the next thing is that this is the definite article for neuter nouns. So we have kongerike, which is neuter noun, that's why we use that. And as you notice, we don't pronounce ta at the end. So we just have that. And let's go to sentence 2. Men til tross for dette var det faktisk en amerikansk turistgruppe som gikk tur i Balmoral-området i England for en tid tilbake som ikke kjente igjen den mektige dronningen. But despite this, there was actually an American tourist group that was walking in Balmoral district in England some time ago that didn't recognize the powerful queen. So the first expression here is til tross for. Til tross for is despite. So in English we have one word and here we have three, til tross for. Like despite this. And then we have a verb which always has position 2 in principal sentences. And that's why we don't say det var, but var det, because we here have a preposition here already. And this another thing I want to say is this part of the sentence. Here we have som ikke kjente. In principal sentences, negative part goes after verb, but here we have ikke before the verb because it's inverted word order, because sentence starts with some. Just remember, if a sentence starts with some, we will have negative part before the verb. And another thing is gikk tur. Here we have we're walking past continuous, but in Norwegian there is the same form for continuous and simple tenses, so it's easy. And there is no gerund for past continuous in Norwegian. Yeah, so the same form, gikk tur. The next is kjenne igjen, recognize, and here we have three forms of it. Kjenne, kjente, kjent. And I think that's all.